Hello my students, welcome to Agial Language Schools. Today inshallah we will start Unit 10 Part 2. Please open your student book page 104. Exercise 1. Who can read this? There are a few cakes. There are a few cakes. Let's underline a word. A few. This sentence, there is a little juice. There is a little juice. Excellent. Underline the word a little. Okay. A few and a little. The word cakes. Cakes, countable or uncountable? Can you count cakes? Yes, of course. So I use a few. A few means a small amount of a thing, but it's enough. This means that these cakes are enough for you and for your brother. This sentence, there is a little juice. Juice, can you count juice? No, we can't count juice, so we use the word a little. A little is a small amount of a thing, but it's enough. Point and say. Number 1. Who can tell me number 1? There are a few biscuits. There are a few biscuits. Excellent. Number 1. Number 2. Bread. Bread. Can you count bread? No. So I use there is. There is a little bread. Excellent. Number 3. Ducks. Can you count ducks? Excellent. Yes, we can count ducks. We can count ducks. There are a few ducks. Number 4. Water. Can you count water? No. So I use a little. There is a little water. Number 5. Children. Can you count the children? Yes. There are a few children. The last one. Milk. Can you count milk? No. So I use a little. There is a little milk. Now we move to exercise number 2. We have 4 bubbles. Who can start? How many eggs are there? Only a few. Because we can count eggs, when we ask about the number of eggs, we use how many. Bravo. And if we can't count this thing, what will we do? We will use how much. How much water is there? Only a little. I'll do number 1 and 2 for you, and then you will answer number 3, 4, 5, 6 in your notebook. Number 1. Sweets. How many sweets are there? Only a few. Number 2. How many juice is there? Only a little. Please open your notebook and answer 3, 4, 5, and 6. To sum up our lesson, let's see. There is and there are. How to use them. We use there is for singular and there are for plural. For example, there are 3 chairs in the classroom. There is 1 table in the classroom. We also use there is for countable and uncountable nouns. There is some sugar on the table. Sugar here, countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Sugar is uncountable. Okay? So I use there is. Let's continue. A few and a little. When we say a little or a few, we mean a small amount, but it's enough. Let's see this example. Dawn, let's go out tonight. Lucy, okay, I have a little money for the cinema. Money here uncountable, so I use a little. We use a little for uncountable nouns and a few for countable nouns. I have a few books. I have a little orange juice. For more exercises, please answer workbook page 94 and 95. Thank you and see you next class inshallah. Goodbye.